pollen. Some honey being made on the top there. See a lot of drones in here today. Saw them on the outside too. Quite a few drones. Okay, girls. Okay. Okay, frame number 2 here on the bottom. We got some drawn comb. Got some drawn comb being done here, a lot of pollen. Okay, I'm trying to be real gentle with my ladies here today. Ow. Okay, that's my sting for the day. And as I came prepared for my sting of the day, ow. I just keep on some ice. I'm gonna put my gloves back on. See if my gloves will. Okay. Ow. That's my owie for the day. Okay, so then I pull this one up. Okay, yeah, I did this one. We had some brood growing in here. This is where I got stung. Okay. Number 3. I don't want to make them angry or anything. Okay, and in here. Yep, we got larvae. We got tiny larvae. Yep, there I say we got eggs. Okay. We got larvae and eggs in this third one here. Means the queen's alive, doing well. Okay, here we go. Okay, getting into number 4 here. Okay, girls. Yep. Good. Oh, very nice capped brood on this side. Nice capped brood, more larvae. Dare I say more eggs. Yeah, and our larvae are tiny enough here, we can be safe to assume the queen's been around. Got more larvae here. More capped brood, looking real nice. I'm not going to play around with these looking for mites. I don't see any evidence of mites on these girls. I see all the wings are doing fine. Frame number 5. Okay. Frame number 5. Nice capped brood. A lot of drones on this one. Check that out. We'll see if we can get a close-up there. A lot of drones right there hanging out. Okay, girls. Here we have pollen. Oh yeah, eggs. Yep, definitely evidence of the queen recently. A lot more drones. I think I might be in queen territory here. Okay. Okay. Got stung again here.